Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos in Instagram stories. So it's very simple. You just have to swipe the screen to the right side, and here you can upload any photos first. So like this, you can just move the photo, and right after that you have to click on the smiley square icon here and just swipe a bit, and here is the plus sign. So you can just click on that and just choose the photos like this, and you can just change the shape. Likewise, redoing it again for the more upload photos. So yeah, so in this way you can just choose multiple photos in your Instagram. Thanks for watching the video, and please follow for more content, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.